Casper is evolving, and Casper 2.0 is set to bring the biggest improvements yet, from faster transactions and instant finality to multi-VM support and near zero fees. This upgrade takes the network to a whole new level. The Zug Consensus replaces the existing protocol, making block production more adaptive and efficient. Expect reduced block times, better scalability, and a smoother experience for developers and users. A major highlight is Casper's multi-VM capability, a first for layer 1 blockchains. Instead of relying on separate layer 2 solutions for different virtual machines, Casper runs multiple VMs side by side natively. This allows developers to choose the best execution environment for their specific use case, whether it's DeFi, gaming, or enterprise applications. Casper 2.0 also introduces a revamped fee model, reducing transaction costs to near zero. Combined with its resilient node architecture, this makes Casper one of the most scalable and cost-efficient blockchains out there. Of course, this is my research. Do you own? For more things crypto, give me a follow.